I always think about the heart, that when the heart is hurt, there's an emotional hurt, there's a spiritual hurt, but there's a physical hurt that actually, when somebody's heart broken, it actually affects the whole body. Why is it so important from your perspective that we need to heal our hearts so we can get to the heart of a good thing?
Yes, until our hearts are healed, until we are committed to the journey and the path of healing, we will continue to relive the interruptions of the past.
Mm,
And so, if most of us look at our lives, we will see the theme that each time that thing has happened, it's that same feeling of rejection.
right,
Each time that thing has happened, it's that same feeling of abandonment. Each time that thing has happened, it's a you see, I'm not good enough, I'm not lovable.
hmm,
So until our hearts are healed, until we are committed to the healing process pathway, we will continue to relive the interruption and remember no judgment, because each time one of those situations happen, it's like I've been in 10 relationships and they've
yes,
all ended just about the same way. Each time it's an invitation to go inward, not to start again from the same premise, because it's going
right.
to end again in the same way. So each time we truly show up for that commitment to heal inwardly, then we start to attract differently. And then we start to experience more of what we actually desire. I don't know that I've met anyone who says, I don't want to be loved. I don't want to be accepted. I don't want to be held.
Right.
But many of us want to be loved, accepted, held. But we continue to choose relationships that are rejecting. Here's the good news: we attract what is familiar to our hearts, and the purpose is to bring up to the surface what is beneath, because we cannot heal what is not revealed. And so you attract the rejecting person to trigger that part of you to come up to the surface for the purpose of healing. If each time the part of you comes up to the surface and you just react out of it, you make it more solid. And then the relationship breaks up, you attract another rejecting person, or
Right.
you attract another long distance person because you are used to your needs not being met. And so if they're far away, at least, but what you really need is someone close, is
Close.
someone to hold you. So the pattern, whatever your patterns are, whatever your triggers are, most often look at your life, whatever has been most repeated, it has been an awareness teacher calling you to pay attention to the interruption.